Hello students, in this video I will demonstrate a sample app for the assignment 1. In the assignment 1, students have to implement 2 pages. The first page is simple. Students only need to list their name and UID on the first page for identification purpose. Students also have to provide a start button to start the game. When the start button is pressed, the app will be directed to the second page, which is the gameplay page. In this page, students have to implement a chess game called Connect4. Connect4 is a simple chess game for 2 players. There are only 2 kinds of chess pieces. In this sample app, we use red and green chess pieces. Each player chooses one color, and the players will then take turn to place their pieces on the game board. For each move, a player can only place one and only one piece on the game board. To place a chess piece on the game board, a player has to select a column, and the piece will occupy the first available empty position from the bottom at the selected column. For example, if I choose the second column to place the red piece, then the red piece will place at the bottommost position of the selected column, which is the second column. Then it will be the green turn. Then if I also choose the second column to place this green piece, it will place at the second bottommost position of the second column, and so on. A player can also select other column to place their pieces. For example, if I place this green piece to the third column, it will occupy the bottommost position of the third column because that position is empty. Please note that if the column is fully occupied, for example, the second column, no more move and no more piece can be placed at this column, and a player for next turn should select other column to place the chess piece. The aim of the game is to connect game pieces in same color in a straight line, either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Please note that there are 2 diagonal directions. One is from top left to bottom right, and the other is from top right to bottom left. So there are totally 4 possible directions. Students have to check whether there are more than 4 game pieces in the same color have to be connected. And for example, in this sample, the green pieces win because there are 4 pieces in green color are connected vertically. In this page, students should also provide two buttons. The first button is the New Game button to allow the player to restart the game at any time whenever this button is pressed. When this button is pressed, a new game started. The other button is a retreat button. If a player thinks the previous move is not a good move, the player is allowed to press this retreat button to retreat the previous move. And the player can place the piece to other position on the game board. Please note that when winning the game, all the winning game pieces have to be indicated, just like this in the demo app. There may be more than 4 game pieces and more than one direction that have a straight line connected more than 4 game pieces. For example, in this example, there are totally 6 red pieces are connected in a straight line. And in this way, the red pieces also win the game, and all these winning pieces should be indicated. Students should also provide the status of the game to notify the players who is the next turn. So for example, in this sample app, at the bottom, it will show you it is a red turn. And then it will be the green turn. And then it will be the red turn again. And if a player wins the game, the status should show who wins the game. Students should also note that there is a possibility to draw the game. For example, in this sample, all the positions on the game board are occupied. And there are no more moves, but no one wins the game. So you can see the status of the game shown at the bottom of this page is draw. So the game is draw. And this is the basic requirement of the assignment 1. For more details, students should refer to the assignment sheet. And I think that's the end of this demo video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.